Okay, this is a quick screencast to run through pCloud and how to use it. It's a great provider that I already use for cloud storage, sharing, uploading, etc. So I'll quickly run through the process now. So it's as easy as going to pcloud.com and then signing in. And the sign-in is maximdigitalaus@gmail.com, and then capital M Maxim 5050 exclamation mark. I'll put them in the email. So now we've logged in. So I've set up a basic file, which is a Maxim folder, and I've got individual and SMSF. So if I go into individual, currently I'm going to create a new folder, which is called JDDD Burns, as that's the job that we need to, for our client to upload files into at the moment. So now I'm in that folder there. If I go back to individual, or even go back to SMSF, the other one that I need to set up is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is Okay, so I've got my two folders ready now. So in this folder, if I come back one, and then I think I do these three little buttons here. I can share and then share an upload link. So now that I've shared an upload link, it's as easy as grabbing this link, copying it. You might even be able to, yeah, that's it there, copy to the clipboard, and then put that into an email. But yeah, just create an email, type it how you want, and say this is the upload link, and then I'll just bring it into the screen. So that's the link there in a browser, and you can see that there is an upload link, and you can upload your files and click here to add your files. They can add their name, whatever, and then upload, and then we can get the files. So that's essentially it. Yeah, job done. So once they've said in an email to you that they've uploaded the links, you can just come back in the same way into the folders, and their file should be there.